In May 1941, Jamaica made history with the Royal Air Force. The squadron with its 12 Blenheim bombers was tagged as the 139 Jamaica Squadron. This naming was a great honor to Jamaica because the squadron was known for completing many successful missions throughout Europe over a number of years. The reason why Jamaica was given such a tribute was because of the island's successful donor drive that resulted in overwhelming contributions to the Bomber Fund. The little island of Jamaica showed its might in raising substantial funds through the daily newspaper subscriptions. Donations were used to purchase the 12 Blenheim bombers. The well-organized campaign brought personal and business contributions to the Jamaica Bombing Planes Fund that exceeded donations from other British colonies throughout the world. This made Jamaica the first colony to have its name attached to a squadron. For the country's substantial donation, the British Ministry of Aircraft showed their appreciation by honoring Jamaica with an impressive metal plaque with an inscription of gratitude.